Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back on my YouTube channel, the Aman Edge. Today I'll discuss about two hiring opportunities. So first of all, I'll discuss about Associate Software Engineer .NET Developer profile. After that, I'll discuss about off-campus hiring. You can see here, trainee engineer. Okay, guys. So before discussing all of the two opportunity, you can see here this is my channel. So if you didn't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe it and click on the bell icon for new videos notification, and you can follow me here LinkedIn, and you can also follow me here Instagram. Okay, all links are provided in the description box, so please follow me guys. So now we will discuss. So you can see here the location is Hyderabad, India. Okay, this is the apply now icon. So you can apply for the job, click over the apply now. Okay, this is the date. Okay, application deadline. So this is a posted date. Okay, but application deadline date is not mentioned here. Okay guys, so you can apply for the job. Okay, so now scroll down and you can see here this role is office based. Okay, so this information is written by company, so read it carefully. And now you can see here in this role you will, okay, so read all of these points carefully, then apply for the job. This is the qualification, bachelor or master in computer science or related field. Okay, so you should have a degree related to CSIT field, then you can apply for the job. Okay, and 0 to 2 year of experience in software development. Okay guys, so if you are a fresher, then you can apply for the job, and if you have a 2 years 3 years of experience, then you can also apply for this job. You should have a knowledge about ASP.NET MVC, Web AIP, .NET Core, frameworks like React, JS, jQuery, Angular, JS, JavaScript, SQL, NoSQL, okay, MongoDB, event frameworks such as Kafka. So read all the point carefully, then apply for the job. Click over the apply now icon. I'll provide the link in description box. Okay. So now I'll discuss about here off campus hiring. Job role trainee engineer. Okay, this is not a software role. Job location Bangalore. Cut-off criteria minimum 60% throughout academics. Okay, backlogs, no standing areas backlogs during the selection process. Okay, degree BE BTech, year of completion 2023 and 2024. Eligible branch stream mechanical engineering, aeronautical, industrial, production. Okay, salary package 3.75 LPA. Service agreement bond 3 years. Okay, selection process you can see here, and this is the date time. So read all the information carefully, then apply for the job. For apply you can click here register now. Okay, then first of all register, after that you can apply. Okay, so that's all about today video. This video is really helpful for you, so please like this video, subscribe my channel, share with your friends. Till then, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in next video.